I'm Steve from OpenBOM, and once again, I'm super excited to bring you a sneak peek of OpenBOM for Altium. And this is going to be out this week. Two important features. Number one is the ability to identify a parameter for your board part number, for your blank. So here I've set up a parameter for this project. It's going to be using a board part number of BRD100. And to kind of keep that in mind. So that's going to be the blank. It's going to show up in the BOM. Second thing, super exciting, is variants. We now support variants. This is the first release of this. I'm sure there'll be some improvements, but let's take a look at what it means to support variants in Altium. In my example here, the sample data from Altium, I've got two variants, and I want to show you what they are. This one has got a part number property set to PCB VA100V1, and the corresponding part number value for second variant is V2. I've also kind of took the liberty of just redefining some parameters for a capacitor here. In variant 1, the capacitor's name is going to be Steve V1, and in the second variant, the capacitor's name is going to be Steve V2. And I changed some other things too. My point is I want you to see that we're going to track both component instances as well as component properties in the variants. So here's what I've got. I've got two variants in here, and I've got a board part number set to 100. Let's see what we get. I'm just going to go ahead and bomb this out. There's also a few little changes in the settings, and you'll see them when you get there. But I'm going to create a board here. I'm going to include the board part number in the BOM. And let's run this out. I was expecting the V1 part number for this BOM. And in the past, what we would have, when we ignored variants, is we made the same part number for every variant. That's not very helpful. So here we go. I got the board part number V1. That's what I was expecting. Let's just go ahead and look for Steve. There's my capacitor that's got the Steve description. And then finally, here we go. OpenBOM kind of stuffs in the BRD100. And for reference, of course, we would build this out in OpenBOM with the item definition. But for now, we got the board in, we got the variant. All right, let's go over and take a look, see what happens when we build the second variant. Let's go ahead and switch to the second variant and go ahead and run that out to OpenBOM. And in the past, we would have just overwritten the first one. But as you'll see now, we get the second BOM here, V2. It's exactly what I was expecting. And we'll see again, of course, this one has the board in it. And if I go take a look for Steve here, I will see that I've now got my V2 description. So point being here, that no matter what we have for either instances of the part or the part definitions, we will see that in variant 1, we get variant 1 parts and parameters. In variant 2, we get variant 2 parts and parameters. So that's Altium support for board part numbers and variants becoming the week of November 1st, 2023. Thanks.